Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to solve KineMaster download error easily. First, check your internet connection. Download error often happens because of weak internet. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Make sure your connection is stable. After that, restart your phone, turn it off and wait for few seconds and turn it back on. Go to Settings app, tap on General Storage, free up space if storage is full. Older iOS version may block downloads. For that, go to Settings, tap on General, tap on Software Update, install any software available, update. Turn off VPN or device profile and try to download again. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.